Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a 143 scale video. And this is my first 143 scale for 2026. This should have actually, I should have gotten this one in December, but it didn't arrive. There was some kind of mix-up in the orders, and it only arrived in the second order, so I'm happy to get it at all. So this is the Plymouth Satellite Sebring Plus from 1971. So this is, I think, the more like civilian version of this Plymouth, because I actually discovered that I always thought that there were only GTX versions of this car. I didn't know there's like a lower trim version, and I found out from watching Rust Bros on YouTube on one of their episodes, and found out that these cars exist in these variation also. And not joking, like a month or less later, IXO, well, the store that I buy these 143s from, they suddenly put it up on for sale. I was like, wow, yeah, I'll get it. If I could, I was a little bit stressed out. I was gonna be sold out, but nope, got it. So here we are. So let's get it out of the packaging and have a closer look. Make it something to get it open without damaging the box. It looks like it will get damaged anyway. Oh, there it goes. Get the knife away. Come on. Don't make me break the cardboard. Okay, there it goes. Okay. So it comes in acrylic case, as all of them do. They have these stickers. It's like I said, I cut my nails and I can't do this. So, oops. So we're just gonna do it like this. That's one side, and that's the other side. Okay. Now there goes the acrylic case. Here's a nice space. If you'll you may collect them in this way, but I prefer mine loose. So, let's see. Do we need 2 screws to get this car off? Whoa, that is stiff. Wow, that is very, very stiff. Yep, well, but there it goes. It goes. Okay. I have once had this one model where the screw just, for no, absolutely didn't want to come off at all. I couldn't get it off, and I messed up the screw itself, and now I can't get that model off at all unless I cut it or something, and I don't want to do that. Wow, these are tight. Okay, there we go. And here's the model itself. It's kind of weird not seeing a spoiler in the back there, but there you go. Oh man, this looks very good. Like lensed headlights, the front, this entire chrome piece is all separate, not a part of the car. This thing looks super sleek. We got very nice rims. We got, what is this, Kinergy Street Hankook tires. Plastic base, of course. We have like separately made exhausts, which look very nice. I do like the vintage tire thread. Here's the back, which is also separate pieces for the lights, and this like chrome part here, which is like the bumper, so the lights are in the bumper. The top is, I think it's plastic. or maybe it's not. It just feels plasticky. It's maybe the paint finish for the vinyl top is like this sort of matte feel to it. Like the interior, it's like matched with the roof, so it's white. You got the black steering wheel with the panel. Yeah, overall looking very, very nice, in my opinion. Let's have a roll test. Oops, that was my fault. There's a great sound to it. Why is it that? The interesting thing is that you cannot see the brakes, but they are in there. As you can see, that little piece that's moving around. Those are supposed to be the brakes for this, but since the rim is styled in a way you cannot see through it, so there's absolutely no point of them. But it's there, so rolls very, very good. There's some kind of weird sound I can hear. Oh, those are these things. These things are making a slight noise of some sort, but everything else looks perfectly fine. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.